Hi, I'm Zoe from KT-Vision, and this is our KT-60. With its fundamental body and compact layout, KT-60 combines durability with elegance for mission-critical control. Its class of 2040 program shortcut keys is a command center, assign function, trigger actions, or switch source instantly. It supports native integration with major software like vMix, OBS, ATEM, and lots of different professional software. Different plugins are supported, and plugins can be installed or removed from the built-in store with a single click. KT-60 runs on LAN with a seamless device communication. Here, we take vMix as an example. Now, we added PW1, PW2, PW3, and PGM1, PGM2, PGM3 for demonstration. And you can see it works out well. For more information and software downloads, visit www.katovid.com.